We were facing some very serious supply chain challenges the last 3 to 4 years.
We were significantly impacted by forecast accuracy. We are a global operating company, so it's of utmost importance to understand what is the volume we have in the markets and to understand also based on that where and when we can deliver to our customers.
Before that time, we had this technology of Sensos. We were almost blind.
Our vision was to implement an IoT-based solution which allows us to monitor our products in the market.
We would like to create full transparency along the whole supply chain.
And based on that, you can make data-driven decision-making.
There was no real mass product available on the market, and Sensos offered us the perfect solution.
Implementing the tracking technology has a direct impact on our cash flow.
With the Sensos technology, we were able to improve that transparency of the supply chain and inventory channel to have a much more precise production planning. We reduced the losses of our shipments from our distribution centers in France to Eastern Europe by a significant number. I appreciate most about Sensos is their technical experience and the build-up of their platform and the processing of the data to create the business insights we needed to solve our business challenges.
Real-time data is a strategic benefit if you have it.